Hello everyone, my name is Emily. I study at Beyond Education School today. I will be reading my family is very special to me. It includes my mom, my dad, my older sister, and me. We live in a cozy house with a big garden. My mom is kind and make delicious meal for us. My dad worked hard to take care of our family. My sister is my best friend and we play games together. Every night we gather around the dinner table to talk about our day. We go on family trip and have so much fun. I love my family because they love me and always help and support each other. Family is where I feel safe and happy. Thank you for listening to me. Goodbye.